What men want in a woman. What are the things that men want in a woman? What are the things that you as a woman, once you do it, your man will start loving you? So in today's video, I am going to share with you 3 perfect things that men want in a woman. So before we proceed, my name is Kenneth Os. I make videos on men's secrets and natural ways to keep them. So if you care for this type of video or you like this type of video, subscribe to my YouTube channel and turn on the notification bell to be notified anytime I upload a good content like this. So let's proceed. What are the things that men want in a woman? They are: number 1, men want a woman that will support their dream. Assuming the man wants to be a businessman or a politician, they want a woman that will support them in that. Maybe their business is not growing. They need a woman that can help that business to grow. They need a woman that can motivate them or give them tips, tricks, or strategies of how business will grow. So every man out there wants a woman that can support their dream. So men want a woman that can be able to support their dream. No matter how little or no matter how small she can support that dream, men will appreciate it. And that is exactly what men want in a woman. Number 2 is that men want a woman that can motivate, inspire, and encourage them. When there is obstacles or when there is failure, men want a woman that will inspire them or encourage them to move on. Maybe they lack motivation. He wants motivation to move on. No one can give it to him like a woman. Maybe he don't have parents or the parents are not around. The brothers, the sisters that will motivate him are not around. Maybe he is in the city where he is doing the business and there is obstacles or business failure. Men want someone that will encourage them to move on, especially a man that wants to achieve greatness in life or a man that wants to be successful in business. He needs motivation when there is obstacle. He needs encouragement when there is failure. So men strictly looks for women that are supportive in terms of encouragement, motivating, and inspiring. So men want a woman that can be able to encourage, motivate, and to inspire them when there is obstacles. So number 3 and the final thing men want in a woman is that men want a woman who is independent, a woman who can afford some basic need of the family, or a woman who can afford their basic need. Not every time husband or my boyfriend buy this, buy that. Men strictly want a woman that can be able to afford her need and also afford the need of the family, for the welfare of the family and also for the welfare of that relationship. Men want an independent woman, a woman who can fend for herself and also fend for the husband. Maybe when God bless the marriage, they got children. Men want a woman that can be able to bring out money in order to support the family or in order to buy things for the children. Not everything that men will buy. At least as a woman, Learn to buy some things in order to support the family. Learn to buy some things in order to make your husband or your hubby happy. Men love independent women, and these days, men are looking for independent women. A woman that can fend for herself and a woman that can help for the family growth. So, these are the three things that men want in a woman. If you are a woman out there and you want your husband or your boyfriend to love you more than you expect, learn to adopt these three things that men want in a woman. Practice them, exercise them, and show it, disclose it, express it to your man, and your family will grow. Your husband or your boyfriend will love you more than you expect. So do it as a woman for you to have a perfect relationship and marriage. Here is the end of this video today. I hope you enjoy this video and you get value from this video. If you do, please hit the like button, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and turn on the notification bell to be notified anytime I upload a good content like this. Please comment on this video. I want to know what you think. I want to know if you have value from this video or you get value from this video. Like and share this video to your friends and family. Comment on this video once again. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video. Have a nice day. I appreciate you. Bye.